Mike.
All right, Ashley, thanks so much. Hey, this spring season means warmer weather and spending more time outdoors, including your pets, of course, like Jasper over there. And because of that, there are some things to keep in mind to keep them safe. Dr. Kerry Peterson from Pet Wellness Clinics, she joins me right now with more on that. Betsy's down there just hanging out here, just trying to keep a hold of Jasper. I got a dog just like him at home, so I love that he's posing for the camera.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
He's a ham.
Jasper's like, what's going on here? Yeah. All right, let's talk about the spring season coming up right now. There's a lot of things that you should be looking out for and keep an eye on your pets.
Yep.
And also symptoms of different things. So let's start off with plants, for example.
Right. So springtime, Easter, you're going to want to have a lot of pretty flowers in your house and in your gardens. They can pose dangers for our pets. Lilies are one in particular that is very harmful for cats, the entire lily plant. So if you've got curious kitties, it's best to just not have them in the house.
Okay.
Azaleas, daffodils, tulips, those are all plants that could potentially cause some GI irritation in dogs if they ingest it. The bulb is particularly the part that causes GI irritation and can cause some more serious effects if consumed.
And is that normal for dogs to kind of go after some of those plants? I mean,
some of them, yeah, depending on the breed. Some of them can get to some of those plants and dig up the bulbs, so it's best to keep them away from them.
And what do you do if they do, you see them, they eat something like that, and just watch them?
Yeah, if you see a cat eat a lily, get them to the vet immediately.
Immediately.
If you see your dog kind of nibble around on a tulip or a daffodil, watch them closely, but if they show any signs of GI distress, get them to the veterinarian.
The one thing I've always heard is that like not only heartworms with things like that flying around, they can transmit disease very easily, parasites as well. So what are some of the things you want to be aware of?
Yeah, so spring brings rain, so muddy ground. Parasites love water, muddy ground to kind of breed in. Giardia is a single-cell organism that lives out in muddy water, contaminated ground. Dogs can get exposed to that. Diarrhea is the main symptom of that disease.
Okay.
If your dog comes down with acute diarrhea, get them to the veterinarian, and we have a test that we can test for that parasite.
Okay, very good. And as far as heartworms and things like that, is it a shot? Is that something that they should get?
Yes,
for sure?
Yeah. So every dog should be heartworm tested at least once a year, and they need to be on prevention monthly each year. We do have an injectable called ProHeart that will offer 12 months of protection.
Is that a chewable?
It's an injection.
Oh,
so we give it in office, and it offers 12 months of protection.
Oh, really?
But we also have chewables, and we have some preventatives that have heartworm prevention with flea and tick prevention as well.
All right, let's talk real quick about allergies. I didn't realize that dogs could be affected by allergies just like humans.
Yes, so it was no accident that we brought Sweet Jasper here today. Golden retrievers are a very common allergy.
And not normally calm like this, by the way.
No. They can have severe allergies to environmental things, just like people can, and it can manifest as ear infections. He's 8 months old. He's already had an ear infection. So these dogs are kind of the poster children for potential allergies. If you think your pet is having allergic type reactions, red skin, itchy eyes, itchy ears, bring them to the veterinarian.
Sneezing too?
Sneezing too, yeah. Really? And if you see those symptoms, don't try any over-the-counter medications. They really don't work very well.
Okay.
Get them to the professionals. We've got a lot of different medications for itchy skin, for itchy eyes, and we can help them out.
Okay, Jasper, good job.
He's awesome.
Jasper, Jasper, good job.
Good job, buddy.
I got to talk to his agent. I guess he's just waiting to get paid. All right, ladies, thank you so much for the good advice as well. And we'll have more on this at wishtv.com and on our All in Indiana Facebook page as well. All right, let's toss it over to Randall.
All right, thanks, Mike. Well, a local kid from Green